You can't move forward. You keep looking back. Your past is your past. Leave it there. You have to move on with your life. Even in relationships, when you move on with someone else, there is no need to look back at your ex, or you want to see what's going on in their lives. You have to mind your own business, to mind your own new relationships. Other people are cheating on their partners with their exes, and you are destroying your relationships, because every relationship there is problem. So sometimes you have to focus with your new relationship and leave your ex. Even in life, your friends you are used to play with at school are not the friends you are playing with now, because you have to change your friends to move on with your life. You say we played together when we are young, and you want to still play with that person because you are in the same class with that person. You have to know now that things can be changed, because it's time. Because you have to know that time changes. It's not about you play together at school and you want to be friendship with the same people at school. So it's not like that. So sometimes, guys, you have to know to move forward with your life to achieve your goals, because some of the friends are the reason why you're not achieving your goals, because they are not in same dreams as you are. You have to think about that when you are looking back every time, you can't move forward, guys. If you are looking back at your ex, or you are comparing your new partner with your ex, and sometimes you are cheating at your new partner with your ex, it's very painful what you are doing, and you are destroying your relationship, you are destroying your marriage. So you have to move. It's better, guys, to move forward with. If you saw your new relationship doesn't work, it's better to move forward than to go back to your ex. I think it's good. Even in life, guys, sometimes move forward. Don't look back. Even you are saying, I'm coming from, this is my village, I can't leave my village. What I grew up at this village. So you have to move forward. If you find some a job outside the country, you say, I don't want to leave this is my country. What you have to move forward with your life. Don't look back. Or maybe you change the area you are working. You are saying, I miss my village. What guys, you sometimes, guys, you know that other people are quitting their jobs because they want to go back to their places they miss. It doesn't make any sense. You have to move on with your life and to deal with what is in ground now, because when you go back to your old friends, what it doesn't make any sense.